In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subdomain in GoDaddy. We'll go through the process together in a simple, clear way so you can set it up confidently, even if this is your first time working inside your domain settings. A subdomain is useful when you want to create a separate section of your website, such as a shop, blog, help center, or landing page, while still keeping it connected to your main domain. To get started, open the GoDaddy website in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the account that manages your domain, because the settings we need will only appear inside the correct account dashboard. Once you're on the site and logged in, click on your profile. This is where GoDaddy gives you access to your account options and the products you currently own. From there, click on My Products. This will take you to the main area where your domains, hosting, and other services are listed. Next, find the domain you want to use and click DNS. This section is where you manage important domain settings, including records, routing, and forwarding options. After entering the DNS area, click DNS again if needed to open the full DNS management page for that specific domain. Depending on the layout of your dashboard, this may simply mean selecting the DNS management option once more to reach the correct screen. Now look for the forwarding section. This is the area that allows you to send traffic from one web address to another. In this case, you'll be creating forwarding for a subdomain. Click Add Forwarding under the subdomain option. At this point, fill out all the necessary details. You'll enter the subdomain name you want to create, and then the destination URL where visitors should be sent. Be careful when typing both fields, because even a small mistake can cause the forwarding not to work correctly. It's also a good idea to double-check the spelling, format, and destination before moving on. Once everything is filled in correctly, click Save. After saving, GoDaddy will apply the new subdomain forwarding settings. Keep in mind that changes to DNS and forwarding can sometimes take a little time to fully update across the internet, so if it doesn't work immediately, give it some time and test again later. And that's it. You've now created a subdomain in GoDaddy using the forwarding option. If you follow these steps carefully, you should have a clean and working setup ready to go.